One more quick update on tomorrow's snow. We're talking about Friday, March the 6th, and we're getting a cold front that's moving through the front range as we speak. That's already starting to drop those temperatures. Probably smells like really in a few spots already. And that front will continue to push in colder air and some snow for us by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. For that morning rush, it does look like it will be slick with the possibility for some pretty heavy snow. Now, the issue, and I've talked about this all week, two things. One, the ground is quite warm. It was 70 degrees today, and those air temperatures are going to be at, if not slightly above freezing, 33, 34 degrees. So it's going to be tough for that snow to stick, but it's going to be falling really heavily during that Friday morning commute. And that'll make it pretty potentially slick out there, including some of the lower elevations, including Denver, and it's going to be pretty windy with some 20 to 30 mile an hour winds, so that'll make it a pretty rough go at times. Won't last all that long, but for about 2-3 hours, it could have some pretty heavy snow across the metro area. I think those impacts will be higher south of the DTC and west of, along and west really of Highway 93, so think Morrison, Golden, as well as on up even into the Boulder area. I think you're going to be dealing with those highest impacts during that morning commute here on Friday. Through the day, it'll continue to snow. I think the impacts will be mainly during the morning, but we will still have some leftover snow during the afternoon. Some of the latest computer model runs are indicating that some of that snow does stick around through the evening and maybe even a little bit more accumulation. I'm still skeptical of that just because, again, air temperatures will be warm and the sun angle this time of year, we're now in early March, means that sun angle could impact things a little bit as well. This will all wind down by about sunset on Friday, and then this weekend drying out and warming up.